Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, I wholeheartedly welcome you to Eat to Live Strong. My name is Shelly and today is episode 3, National Soup Month 2026. And I'm going to show you how to make this easy, budget-friendly, dump all weight loss soup. So please sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So let's talk about the soup. Of course, it's National Soup Month and 2026 and it's new beginnings. We're trying to either jumpstart our weight loss or getting healthy or saving money. This soup hits all major points. It is budget friendly. A lot of the ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen, the staple items. You also have vegetables or things that you have already started using, had a little left, and you just got to get rid of it, but it's not enough to make a full meal. That's when you dump it in the soup. Another positive thing about the soup is if you're vegan, leave the chicken out. The black beans will cover as your protein. For all others, add the chicken and the black beans. Again, this is a dump soup, so it's good and healthy for you both ways. All the ingredients and the recipe to this soup will be in the description box. Be sure to season your chicken. Also, you're going to saute the onions and the garlic first, then add the chicken, and then you're going to cook the chicken until it's thoroughly done. And by doing the onions and the garlic with the chicken, it gives a great aroma and taste. After the chicken is fully cooked at 165 degrees Fahrenheit, let the fun begin. Yes, you saw jalapeno peppers because, again, I like spice. My family loves the heat. And ingredients such as cayenne peppers, jalapeno peppers, any type of spicy peppers jumpstarts the weight loss. On your mark, get set, go! It is time to start dumping the goodness into the soup. Wow, look at all the herbs and spices. It smells amazing. Yes, you are seeing this is all I had left from episode 1, the cabbage soup. It's a dump soup. Dump it. Don't waste it. Now you know my soup will not be complete without my number one ingredient, my superfood mushrooms. Had some lost footage, but I also put some chipotle peppers in my soup because, again, we like spicy, we love the heat. Now you can also use squash, zucchini, okra, any other water-based veggies would be amazing in this soup as well. And there you have it. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so that you're notified each and every time I release a video. Share me out because sharing is caring. And as I always say at the end of each and every one of my videos, bon appetit, God bless you, see you next time, love you long time. Bye-bye for now.